here we are in Meridian, Mississippi. It's only like 70 degrees out here, but humid, hot, real hot. And there's some shit at the park.
Okay.
Girls playing softball. There's some boys there that I would have gone over, but you know. Here's this is kind of the road.
Okay, give us the tour. Empty grandma's house.
Living room.
There's Uncle Bill.
Say hi, Uncle.
Here,
Cleaning up. This is the
working
backyard.
like a dog. Work, 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 work.
Beautiful flowers.
Here, come get up a close up. Nice garage.
Okay. Anything else?
Wait, get up to the magnolias. That's the state flower.
Okay.
Go, please, because they.